This is Dreamcoat, first of its kind humidity protection and texture transformer for any hair type. It is so easy to use. What you do, you take soaking wet hair and actually take small sections and saturate it root to tip. It is heat activated, so you want to make sure that you get a brush and a hair dryer. And when you stretch and heat the hair, that is what activates the product. And that activation with the heat and the stretching of the brush actually cross-links this magic polymer on the surface of your hair. And what that does, first of all, it will completely transform the texture. Even the roughest, coarse textured hair, it will leave it silky, shiny, beautifully reflective. Now at the same time, whatever you do to your hair, whether you make it sleek and straight, whether you give it body or waves, it will give you complete humidity protection to your style that actually lasts up to 2 to 3 washes. Now Dreamcoat is designed to be used on its own. Unless you carry our Color Wow cocktails, which are styling supplements, you can use them before, but it really is designed to be used on its own. If for some reason, I mean we don't recommend it, but if for some reason you do use a styling product first, this has to be the last wet styling product you put onto the hair. And then once you've heat activated and blow dried it into the hair, you can use any other styling product dry that you like. After you've used the Dreamcoat in the hair, you can use a flat iron or a curling iron. Now it's not necessary, but it will actually enhance the results that you get from this product.